Hello everyone, back here with another update video. This is version 0.2.9. I've got something kind of special today if you fly angle mode. If you don't fly angle mode, then unfortunately this isn't going to mean a whole lot to you, but this is something pretty big if you fly angle mode. This code here, we now have a PID level low and a PID level high. What this means is when your sticks are not moving real quick, or you're at basically a state where you have low error, your level mode PIDs will act with this sort of PID controller. If you bang the sticks harder, like a real quick bang, or if you're you bump into a wall or something else happens, your PID controller will move over to this second PID controller. And the way it does it is it's not like an abrupt change, instead kind of a linear change. As your angle error increases, the higher your angle error is, the more like this second PID controller your PIDs will be, and the less like this first one. Now this is exactly what silverware does, except they don't use an I term. But that's what silverware does, is they have the two PID controllers, and it makes it so that you can bump into walls a whole lot better than you normally could. I've done some testing with it, and yes, I can bump into walls a whole lot better than I could before. I was pretty impressed by it, actually, with how well it did work. Seems pretty good. No issues to report as of yet from my testing. Now if I come over here, I can show you the new CLI commands. So now instead of get P angle, it's now P angle low and P angle high. Yeah, I need to rename that one. But anyways, these are the new names of them. And yeah, that's how you edit those values. Basically that low value can give you a real nice sharp crisp feel at the start of your angle mode movement, and that high value can make it so that your move doesn't feel bad if you just bang the stick, and it can keep it when you bang into walls or other objects. It can keep you in the air a whole lot better, give you a lot less of that suction up against the wall. And so generally your angle low stuff should be a lot higher than your angle high, as that's what you generally want things to do. So running stuff like that, you can really get away with banging into stuff a lot better, flying better. I'm sure Patrick might have some insight on this, because this is actually what silverware does, so that's cool. But yeah, I hope that any of you that are flying angle mode are going to like that. If you did have your PID tuned already, you're going to have to reset the code because of the new variable names. And before, the D angle wasn't working, so changing this value didn't do anything. I corrected that and added even more. So I hope that any of you that fly angle mode or fly whoops will really enjoy this update. I think it's pretty cool. Makes angle mode more worthwhile.